What's up guys, Human Car Jack here, and today we're going to be installing an F1 style brake light, or third brake light, for the 2023 WRX. So this will work on any VB WRX, so 2022s, 23s, and 24s, and it's pretty simple to install, so let me show you guys what we got. So we picked up this particular unit from Import Image Racing. It does come with some instructions. It is by Noble Performance, which I believe is their proprietary, their own brand. And right over here, you guys can see the part numbers and stuff. We did pick this up during Black Friday, so we got a decent deal for it. I think it was just under $100, like 90 bucks, something like that. And let's check out the actual hardware itself. So there was a couple of different iterations of this. I don't remember, honestly, I don't remember which one we got. I've been trying to install this for quite some time now. So this is the one with a black interior, so it's a little bit more subtle. So it's got this black inner portion of the light over here. So we're gonna peel this off. Actually, we're gonna do that at the end. But yeah, so there was a couple different iterations where I believe you couldn't see the red in the light over here. It was just fully black, so it matches really well with the bumper. The bumper insert right now is just fully black, so it'd be very stealthy. I did want to have it at least match the taillights, so it looks kind of like an OEM Plus style unit. And this is a plug-and-play one. There are some other ones that you do have to splice, but because I'm not that familiar with how to splice, we did have the plug-and-play one. It just makes life a lot easier, and they're pretty much the same price as the ones that you have to splice. Some additional hardware, so you got the harness over here, and more cables, and some hardware right over here. Also comes with some zip ties to secure it down, so let's go ahead and get started. So the way to start off, you can do this one of two ways. You can either start with the screw that's over here on the passenger side taillight, or the one over here on the driver's side. So either one that you remove will go ahead and start off the process. So that's a Phillips head, so I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew that a little bit, and then it comes undone, and you just pop it out. Super easy like that. This is the portion, of course, that we're going to be replacing. As you can see, it's all black, and we're going to go ahead and pry on this piece over here. We're going to do our best to not break anything, but we're just going to pry up on this. Oh, damn. Sounded like something broke, but I think we're good. Yeah, we actually did, right over here. Got one of those there. Nothing here now. Awesome. All right, moving on. So we got our 10 mils over here. So there's two 10 mils on each side. And this is to remove the whole taillight. All right, awesome. There's a little pop clip style thing right over here. And we have our harness on this side. So we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect that. Jeez. All right, so we got that one off right there. All right, so then the long cable that comes with it right over here, we're just gonna go ahead and fish this down like this. All right, fish it down as best as you can, and then this other side, using the other provided harness, all right, we're gonna put this in the 3-pin connector right over here, and then this end connects to the stock headlight wiring, which I believe goes like this. Oh no, like this. There we go. So I'm just gonna get this a little bit neater, fish this down as much as we can, and then we're gonna reinstall the headlight. And then the headlight gets reinstalled. So we put in the pin right there, listen for that snap, and then we're reinstalling. So now we're going to make our way underneath the car. I'm going to show you guys what we got to start with. So we've got a couple of push pins over here. So one right there, one right here, one right here, and one down there. So there's 4 of them in total. Okay, and we just got to go ahead and remove those. Super easy, just little pop clips, so you just need a flathead to pry them off. And so we have these 2 tabs that are on the top inner portion of this square right over here. So we're gonna basically press them down. We're prying down and we're pushing out. So it's a little awkward, just like that. All right, and then we have our opening. Okay, so for this next portion, I have to bring you guys in a little bit closer. We have this little clip that comes with the hardware, and we have to put it in this way. Well, this way rather. This way, and in towards basically facing the center line. All right, so there's a little area right over here. Basically, there's a hole right there Basically, there's a hole right over here, right? So we're gonna slide this way. It's gonna kind of go up and over that hole. And then the hole of the little bracket, little clip, kind of lines up with it right there. All right, so let me show you guys something. So the bracket that it comes with, which is this piece right over here, right? So very specific, and some of these other tutorials won't show you this. The bracket has to be on the outside of these plastic pieces that are on the car, right? So these are both on the outside, or this metal bracket is pretty much on the outside, the plastic piece is on the inside. We'll have to line up the holes, right? So this hole was lined up in order to get the clip in, right? So that could fit hardware now. And then this portion right over there, see how there's that open hole on that side, right over there, this guy? So this is where we're gonna put this clip right over here. So this has to go from the outside in. So I'll show you that. All right, so we got that clip where it needs to be. We just gotta give it another little push, and bam, now it's in, secured. So pretty straightforward from here now. We're gonna go ahead and insert the light. We've got 1, 2, and now that third one where the clip is 3 holes for this hardware right over here. So we're gonna feed this guy through just like this, and we're gonna find the harness on the back end that we fed through right over there, through the taillight, through the bumper, and we're just gonna go ahead and connect this plug. All right, so let me show you guys something. I don't know how clear this is gonna be because I don't have the most clearance, but yeah, so basically you have to insert both screws in the back of the, right over there in the back of the light. So one there, one over there on the left, and then the one on the side, super tight to get in. It was kind of challenging because of how tight it is. And then we went ahead and pulled the wiring, that wire that you see right over here. Check it out. Yeah. So this is the wiring that we went ahead and routed through the taillight duct. So it's already connected. Everything works. We're just going to go ahead and secure everything with these zip ties, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it works. And then the final piece of the puzzle. There we go. Looking good. All right, so we're gonna try unlocking the car, see how it looks. Ooh, not bad. Okay. So that stays on with the rest of the lights, so you guys can see with the tail lights too. All right. Pretty sick. And then I also want to try it out with the hazard lights on. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Ooh. Oh, yeah, so that actually doesn't light up for that. But let me see for reverse. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching this install of the F1 style brake light. If you guys haven't subscribed already, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care now. Peace.